start jogging. Remember, while jogging, keep your hands near your body and your knees should be lifting. Keep lifting your knees up. Your knees should be coming up. Do not stop in between. Now, keep your hands on your waist and look up and down. Do not move your body. Your body should be straight. Just move your neck up and down. Change, look sideways now. Do not do it fast. Do it slowly. Do not move your body. Keep your body straight still. Change. Now you will swing your arms. Remember, don't bend your elbows. Do not bend your elbows. Keep your elbows straight and swing. Now change. Remember, again, your hands should be straight. Don't bend your elbows. Now arm rotations. Start. Do it slowly. Reverse. You have to do in the reverse action. Back side. Good. Now we are going to twist our backs. Now remember, keep your hands like this, fold your elbows and twist your back. Twist back side. Don't move your legs, only your upper body should move. Okay, very nice. Now we are going to do side bending. While doing side bending, don't bend your knees. Only you have to bend on your side like this. Okay, let's start. Give a little jerk when you bend. Little jerk. And do it slowly, don't rush. Very nice. Okay. Next exercise, hip rotation. Keep your hands on your waist and do not bend your knees. Just rotate your hips. Your knees should be straight. reverse, okay. Next, we are going to bend down, touch our toes and come up. While touching the toes, don't bend your knees. Okay, let's start. Look at the exercise first. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Do not bend your knees while bending down. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, now change. Stretch your legs. Your knee should be straight, hands should be straight, and we are going to do alternate toe touch. While doing it, we have to look upside. First, look at the exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now, the next exercise is side stretch. Look at the side stretch first. We are going to bend this knee, and this knee should be straight and go down. Now change, other side. On the other side, bend this knee should be straight. Change. Now hamstring stretch. While doing hamstring stretch, we are going to touch our head to the knee, and the knee should not bend. Hold your ankles and touch your knee. Next exercise, lunge stretch. While doing lunge stretch, remember you have to bend your both knees and go down slowly. Okay, change. Now we are going to pull our knee towards our chest and balance our body on the one leg. Now we are going to pull our leg from back. Look. Hold this and bend down. Good. Now hold this, other leg, bend down. Remember, the other knee should be straight. Now, stretch your arms up and go on your toes. Go up, pull your body up. Try to touch up, go up. Hold it for 30 seconds. Keep your body up. Yes. Hold it. and slowly come down. Okay, thank you children. We are done with our warm-up exercises. Now we are doing jump variations. The first exercise we are going to starting with is spot jumps. While doing spot jumps, keep your hands near your body and lift your body up a little bit. Yes, keep jumping. Okay. The next exercise is jumping jack. While doing jumping jack, keep your hands straight like this and we are going to move our hands up and jump. Okay, start. Okay. Now the next exercise is clap and jump. While doing clap and jump, hands should be straight. We are going to clap in the front and legs wide. Okay, let's start. The next exercise is split jump. While doing split jump, first the ready position is in this position and we are going to split our legs front and back. Ready? Start. Yes. Okay children, we are done with our jump variations. Now we are going to start with our strengthening exercises. The first exercise is leg swing. While doing leg swing, take a support of a wall, chair, cupboard, anything there it is, and both the knees should be straight. And we are going to swing one leg. Front, back, like a pendulum. Change leg. While changing the leg, change your side. Both knees straight. Swing ahead, swing back. Front, back. Front, back. Okay. Now the next exercise is lateral leg swings. Now we are going to take a support again. Keep your knee straight. The leg will swing in the side way, not front back. Now side. Let's start. Keep your both knees straight. Change of leg. Is squats. While doing squats, remember your back, this portion back should be straight, hands in the front and go down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay children, the next exercise is high knee. We are doing the standing high knee now. Now we are going to place our hands like this in front of our chest. We are going to bring our knee up, high knee. Let's start. And don't move your body like this, like this. Just move your legs. Now the next exercise is crunches. We are going to lie down. Our knee should be straight and will not take support of anything. It's just going to go back, come up, touch the toe. Go back, up, touch the toe. Go back slowly, up, touch the toe. Okay, so let's start with our strengthening exercises. The first exercise is squat and lateral leg swing. We are going to do a squat plus lateral leg swings. Okay, let's start. Look at the exercise first. Go and squat and lateral leg swing. Squat and lateral leg swing. Start. Good children, the next exercise is lunge and tug. Look at it first. We are going to lunge back and tug our leg in. Lunge and tug. Lunge and tug. The lunge is a back lunge. Back lunge and tug. The next exercise is plank walk. We are going to plank and come up. Plank, come up. Let's start. This is our plank position. Up, down, up, down.